buying plates, guys. So, ayan ang ulan, guys. Guys, look at my food. This is a 3 tonkatsu. Giant cup. Hey guys, I'm in Starbucks right now and I'm having breakfast. I got breakfast. I'm at Starbucks here and gonna do a few agendas later. That's why I have to wake up and go here early. But yeah, starting to eat breakfast because I didn't eat breakfast kanina. I've been craving for corned beef pandesal, so I'm gonna eat first. Hi guys. At McDonald's. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. What is that?
We bawal to videoan.
Ay, bawal ba? We're at McDo Lacson. McDo Lacson. Talaga. Hey guys, we're at McDonald's. Non-vlog supporter. Guys, my hair is getting better. Ano na yung vlog ko? Ano yun? My hair treatment journey episode.
Kupitin natin.
No. Ito yung highlight ng hair ko. Superman.
2 more mornings like this.
Superman.
Like what?
Our food is here. Chicken McDo. Chicken McDo and fries. Look at my picture. Si Mofo. This is Mofo. This is from Bimochi, guys. Our friend. Support Bae. We eat. Now we're gonna go to the Piton Arcade.
Baby, mamaya ka na mag-vlog.
It's mad. We're buying plates, guys. Hey guys, we're at Starbucks. We got the chocolate pistachio. This is the one sa SMDC. Ay, sa Sun Residency. Very cute. Hi guys. We're done buying plates and stuff.
Ito na nga yung
We got bowls. We got bowls tapos plates. Pero I wasn't able to do video that much kasi it was raining a bit. Pero we're here sa Starbucks sa what's this? Sun Residence. Saan ba to? Sun Residences. And we got the new pistachio bar. Ayun yung parang sa baby? Sa Dubai bar. Coffee. Coffee tea. Yeah. I'll show the plates later. But it's good. Pero price-wise, I thought mas mura siya. Pero hindi pala like almost close as sa Shopee. Almost the same pala. Kala ko like parang like bags of pressure. Pero mas mura yung sa chinek natin. Yung ano yung mura dito? Ay,
Hindi, parang ganun.
ha?
Parang ganun.
Hindi, yung iba dun parang pag nakasale parang 50 pesos. 50 to 60.
Pero maganda pumunta doon kapag may... Paano yun? Kapag Pasko.
Oo, pag nag-ano sila. When nag-warehouse sale. Tapos yun. Pero we got,
Ako daming tao.
I got 2 bowls na white for 100 something. Tapos I got 2 plates. For
100 lang.
For 200 pala. I got 2 bowls for 200. Tapos 2 plates for 240 kasi 120 isa. Pero malaki na siya. Kasi I ordered sa Shopee na plates na rin na color white. Tapos I got na one parang color black, matte black. So yeah. I'm gonna go back later. Bye guys! Hey guys! I'm back! We're back here. We rode a jeep going back here at Noval. And medyo gloomy today. As you can see, very gloomy. Ayan, umuulan na pala. Ayan, sakto. Before umulan, we got back. And we will be moving out on 20. Tapos, yan. We're gonna move into our new place. And for you to guys see. That's why I bought some plates. Very nice naman yung mga plates na nakuha ko. Na nabay ko. Kasi ang first plates ko na nabili was color white. Then I got, ayun, parang black, matte black. Tapos yun ata yung shiny white. Basta yung isa nabili ko sa Shopee. It's almost the same price sa Shopee. Tapos we got bowls lang rin. For 100, I think that's really great price na rin. For 100 for an actual store. Kesa sa Shopee. So ayun. So we'll see. Hey guys. So ayan ang ulan guys. It's raining today. UST. Ayan ang ulan guys. Very rainy. That's me. May dalang charger kasi lupat. Salamin. Hey guys, I just woke up. We have a few agendas today. Me and Ryan are actually going home kasi we don't have classes till next week, so we have to start checking and packing some stuff. Tapos ayun, we're going to SM North today, then uwi muna kami. So yeah, so those are our agendas today. Maybe bilhin kami a few stuff at SM North. So yun, medyo sabog pa ako kasi I just woke up. So see you soon guys. Hey guys, we're at Santorini here sa Naval. Look at this food. We're gonna eat here. It's a Korean restaurant here sa Naval. You should try it guys. Guys, look at my food. This is Santorini Tonkatsu and Ryan Kang curry tonkatsu. Gusto ko to. Just 250. Mas gusto mo? You get this. Nagpalit kami. Day. This curry. Talaga yung curry nila yung ano. Yung parang sa Japanese curry. Hindi mo nagustuhan. Mas type mo yan. So worth it guys. This is 250. Ang dami na serving nila. Hey guys, I'm at Fully Booked. Here's a great news. checked a few stuff. I'm waiting for my friend Jason. Umuwi na si Ryan kanina kasi he had to go kasi mga traffic siya. And the guy, yung friend ko si Jason, umuwi sa Green Hills. So he has a few errands and nagpasama siya sa akin. So yeah. See you later guys. Hi guys, with Jason na. Nagpagawa siya ng laptop. Guys, sobrang layo ko siya hinanap. Sa Starbucks pa siya. So, sobrang layo. Sa O Square. Tapos ngayon, papagawa daw siya ng laptop. So, we're at Starbucks right now. What? Sino yan? Sino yan? Ano yun na UT4? Ah? UT4 yun ah. Na Tiger Wings. So guys, yan ba yung kausap niya dati? So guys, we're at Starbucks right now. Here's a promenade. Tapos nakalimutan ko na naman na nag-vlog ako. Tapos ubos na yung drink ko bago ko pa ma-vlog. I got strawberries and cream. Just a plain basic ass. Tapos ayun. Tapos nagaya yung friend namin si Crisol para uminom pero sa Manila pa. And we're deciding if we should go. Kasi we're planning to commute there than ang Angkas. Kasi we're trying to be more responsible with our paggastos. Pagod na siya. Una ko dalawa. So yun. We'll see you there guys. Transition, charot. Hi vlog. I'm home with sumama siya sa amin. So, dumating na in-order kong plates from Shopee. Let's unbox! Tapos karat magasgas. Very nice! So white. Nice! I like. Ganda siya. Kaso mas smaller pala isang kamay. Pero pwede na. Kasi mas bigger yung isa kong binili. Pwede na rin. Ganda diba? Guys. Very nice. Very cute. So, saan lang yung difference? Everyone, I'm at SM North. Checking out yung stuff for the condo. Kung anong kailangan ko. But I think wala na right now. Kasi we got the stuff that we need. Hi vlog! We got lemon at Noval. I'm with my best friend, Crisol. We got lemon sa Noval.
And my blush is
So ngayon, our agenda is to go to Dangwa. Kasi meron akong bagong obsession, which is succulents. And may nakita ko sa Dangwa. May nakita ko sa Dangwa. May nakita ko sa Dangwa na nagbebenta ng sobrang daming succulent. So sobrang tempted ko. I miss. So ngayon maglalakad kami pa Dangwa. Kasi yun. Nagkano lang kanina, nag-search ako.
Ayoko kasi mag-jeep. Gusto ko pa maglakad kaysa mag-jeep.
Ako nga rin eh. Iniisip natin kasi kung maglalakad tayo ba kaya mo?
Ginagawa halos.
Okay guys, be back when nasa Dangwa na kami. Hey guys! Oh my god! Okay. Jack! Ito guys, sa na tayo 3D billboard.
Ayan!
Gagabi pa yun. So ngayon guys, punta na kami ng Damwa. Wait lang.
Dito ba?
Hindi, pa ganda tayo eh.
Doon ngayon may pedestrian. Wala pala. Wala.
May lasot, may daanan kaya dyan. Wait lang guys,
We're gonna
G-Maps
die.
lang kami. Hey guys, we're here at Damwa. We are back here. We are back? Kala mo nung pupunta pa natin. So, ang agenda ko today is bumili ng succulents. Kasi may nagbebenta here ng succulents at a good price. Tapos madami siya. And sabi nila nasa corner Maria Clara and Felina Street. So we'll be back guys. Hey guys, we're back. At nabudol na ako ng succulents. Hindi siya kita pero bumili akong dalawa kasi babalik pa ako for next week. So next week ako bibili ng marami pero I bought 2. I got 2 kasi it's so cute and hindi ko mapigilan. And sobrang dami kong pwede bili next week. So excited. So yeah, sobrang cute talaga guys. And 25 per piece lang. Like 25 per succulent. Sobrang mura. I remember like last sa pandemic, parang 100 to 150 siya per piece. What can you say? Hindi siya bumili kasi ayaw niya mag-alaga. Grabe.
Dami ko ng alaga eh. 7.
Ayaw man lang. Paano kung mag-aalaga ng dog kung ayaw mag-alaga ng succulent? Hey guys! We're here sa James and Che. If you know this, nasa Kampa siya banda here. Tapos ito na yung succulents that I bought. Ang cute guys, 25 each. I got this. Ito na yung parang isa, medyo reddish yung color niya. 25 lang. Tapos this one is cute. Parang siyang 3 succulents in like one. Parang iba-iba siyang variation in one. Which is really cute and I love it. So ayan, 25, so those are like 50 lang. So ayan. We're waiting for our food. Hey guys, this is our food. I got barbecue. Sorry. I got barbecue, chicharot bulaklak, pati chicken skin. Wait lang, ang labo ng cam ko. Tapos these are 125 to with rice. Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinakamasarap na kainan.
Customer Hyatt.
Good. Okay guys, kain muna ako. Hey guys, we're at Shakespeare. Favorite shake place namin to dito sa Manila. Sobrang affordable na shake sila, like ranging from 40 pesos to 90 or 100. So, sobrang good. As in, dito kami lagi na may bila ng shake kasi real fruits din yung shake nila. So, ano lang siya, very affordable. Dito lang siya here sa Tampa. If you see itong, ayan, Parisan. Tapos yan, company yan. Ano yung order mo?
Milo.
Milo. Let's try. Can you get mine? Sarap. Ako ay ordered yung typical ko guys. Yung buko. Pero tumaas yung price. 45 na siya. Pero dati 40.
Ito sa'yo. Ano sa'yo?
Buko as usual. Kasi I'm trying to be more healthy this... Healthy? This 2025. Okay, let's try. Ganda pa ng makeup. Okay pa ba makeup ko?
Do you like my hair today?
Yeah, ganda ng color. Very touch-up the joke. Ganda ng hair mo.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
The Bluetooth device. So good. Saan tayo after? Kanina ka pa. Let's retouch. Ay! Let's go. Hindi na budot yung mini-play nila. Guys, nag-upgrade na sila ng music dito.
Oo, connects.
Masakit naman yan.
Baby, baby.
Bye guys. Baka maano ako demonetize. Hey guys. So we're chilling here at the one Ticampa. Very chill lang. Ay, creepy. Pero we're chilling here. Hi vlog. We're at Starbucks Antipolo. Very spunky. Very spunky SB actives. What's your order?
Pure matcha.
What's your order?
Wait, where's my código? One grande ice white vodka with whipped
Punyeta! What the luck? What's your order?
Gago na unahan pa tayo dun na. Pure matcha latte with additional
Naku.
strawberry soap.
Nasaan ang manager? Hi vlog! We're back at Antipolo. We're at Cafe S. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Weekend my life. Say hi to my vlog. So, this is Ponky Antipolo. Tapos kanina pala nagpagawa kami ng lashes. Very good. Kasi medyo like pinaka-fresh na pag-ulang lashes. And I got as usual chocolate, non-coffee.
Hindi pa ako ready eh.
Ay,
Kasi may Tito 4. I think last video ko for the week.
sabay.
Since it's Sunday. So like literally a week in my life. Kung ano man nangyari the
Ay,
week.
puta,
Tapos mag-edit na ako dito. So yun. Hi guys, thanks for watching. See you next week.